Hi, honeybees. I'm decked out in my Christmas PJs, got my Christmas tree up. She's not decorated yet, but she's still pretty, right? Starting to get some Christmas decor up. You can see Mr. Nutcracker right there. But I thought I would open my winter Decocrated box with you guys today. I'm in my cozy PJs. These are from Target. There are new family PJs that for the year I always get the kids, Emmy and Chris, some Christmas PJs. So I'll link these down below for you as well. And I got these cute festive little heart peppermint little earrings. Anyways, I will leave everything I'm wearing down below, but let's get into my Decocrated box because I have been waiting to unbox this with you guys. I have not taken any sneak peeks. And I'm so excited because I've just started decorating for Christmas and I want to incorporate a few of these into my decor that I already have. So I'm actually going to do that at the end of the video too, kind of show you where I placed a few of the items. Also, they have an add-on box that is for pre-sale right now that is Christmas. It's called the Merry Christmas box. Like, it's a Christmas theme box. This one is a wintertime box because it is a seasonal decor box. Let me actually get into what Decocrated is, because if you've never heard of it, I've spoken about it a few times on my channel. It's a seasonal decor box. So you get decor sent to you every season, curated, packaged up, ready to go to put in your home. So you don't have to do any of the hard work trying to match things together. Maybe you don't have time to go seasonal decor shopping. They've got you covered straight to your door. You can cancel at any time, of course, and then they also have some add-on boxes for special holidays like Halloween and Christmas, which I have loved the Halloween one, so I can't wait till that one comes in. I'm getting that one too. I'll make sure to unbox it with you guys. But first, let's get into the wintertime box today, and it has these cute snowflakes on it. It's definitely ready for Christmas. I've already cut the tape so we can get right into it. All right, so we've got our little envelope of goodies here, and they usually go over everything that's in the box in this little envelope and some extra information. So sometimes you get a little extra goodie in there too. So this is something that you can put in a cute Christmas frame or a frame that you have around the house already that will then make it into more of a wintertime Christmas vibe. And it says, "Baby, it's cold outside." It has blue and green accents. And then on the other side, we have "Happy Holidays." Nice little accent piece. And then we have the brochure that actually gives you ideas on how to decorate and all the items and how to use them. I'm not going to look through that quite yet because I want to be surprised at what we open up. So first thing I see, I think maybe they're pillow shams. I just for the first time, you guys, decorated our master bedroom. Mama B was the culprit because she was so sweet and got us this bedspread from Pottery Barn that was very Christmassy. And so then I was like, you know what? Let's put one of the trees in our bedroom. So we did, and I can't wait to share that with you guys when I have the Christmas home tour, which will be very soon. You know, I'm going to put this box on the floor so it'll be a little more comfortable. All right, so we have two pillow shams that are really Christmassy on one side. Look how cute. That's a signature Christmassy green with some kind of like pine needles or like tree stems. And then we have just black and white check on the opposite side. Nice and clean and simplistic for winter. I think these will be really great pillowcases for transitioning to, you know, like when you go from Christmas to winter. This will be really nice. And they're very nice material too. And I love that they're double-sided. They package everything so nicely too. That's why I got my handy dandy scissors here. I told you guys I didn't take any sneak peeks. I was not lying. So what fun Christmas activities are you guys going to be up to this season? I would love to hear. I am going to be doing Vlogmas, which is vlogging every day up until Christmas. So I love to get new ideas. Oh, this is cute, you guys. Look at how cute. Oh, I love this. So it's a little wreath, but it's one that it's not too Christmassy. It's more woodsy and wintry, which makes sense since this is the wintertime box. And I love the little pine cone details and the sprigs. You could even add some additional little sprigs or like a big bow or something to make it more Christmassy at first, and then take the bow off when it's just winter time. But this is beautiful. Our guest room, it has more of like a woodsy woodland theme, so I think I'm going to place that in our guest room. Very pretty. Oh, I think this is like a sign or something. Oh, cute. It's like a silhouette sign. Tree silhouette. Look at that. How pretty is that? That would look really pretty in here, actually, on the wall right back there. So pretty. I love that. And I love that it's neutral too. I'm definitely going to use this more probably in January when I'm kind of transitioning between seasons. I think this is a great piece for that. I have too many seasonal signs up right now that I don't want to part with to put that one up quite yet, but you'll see it in the near future when I'm decorating. So you always get 5 full-size pieces in these boxes. One of the items was that little thing to put in a frame, that little sign. Oh my gosh, these are little woodland creatures. They are so cute. Look at how stinking cute. You get a little fox. These are really cute for a tiered tray. A little squirrel. Good girl, Holly. Holly was like, who are you using the cutie voice with? And a polar bear. She's like, that's for me. These are so cute. I definitely will find a place for those. Adorable. Okay, last but not least. Oh, this looks like a big one. Oh, it's a tray, and it's a nice tray too. Look at this. You could use this all year round. I love the use of wood with metal details. I've always loved that. And these definitely have more of a farmhouse decor feel to them. So if you love that, you will love this box. I absolutely love this. And something about the metal with the wood details gives it like a little bit more masculine energy, but and still has like that very farmhouse look to it. So I can't wait to style this. I will show you how I do so in a second here. So I just put one of the little guys, the little polar bear, out in the bathroom in our guest room. Let's have it a little festive over here. And then here's our adorable little guest room area. And I thought this wreath would be perfect over here, right at the entranceway area. So that's where I'm going to hang that. So here is my little tray with a few of the items from the Decocrated box. We have the signage that they gave us, the tray, and a few of the cute little woodland creatures. You guys know I put the little polar bear in the guest room bathroom, but I think this looks pretty dang cute. What do you guys think? And you can make it even more neutral by not including any pops of red. I personally wanted to include a pop of red since I'm already moving on to doing Christmas in my house and not just winter, but that could easily be transitioned out. And this is one of my favorite candles from actually Walmart. Better Homes and Gardens makes it. And this is the scent, pumpkin and chai. It makes your whole house smell so yummy.